So hello everyone, I'm Antoine Hubert, Chairman and CEO of Insect, and I will start by telling you a small story. Since I was a little boy, I've been very passionate by the creepy, crawly world, catching butterflies for years, amazed by their beauty. Later, taking pictures of small insects, often in very uncomfortable positions. With my degree in agriculture sciences, I've learned to know and respect the soil biodiversity, especially the earthworms and their huge role in the nutrient recycling process. Driven by the desire to contribute to a more sustainable food system, I co-founded in 2007 an NGO raising awareness on the interest of earthworms and insects as bio-waste recycling systems. In 2011, we decided to go one step beyond and to launch Insect, delivering premium animal feed with my colleagues Alexis, Jean-Gabriel, and Fabrice. Premium animal feed from farm insects, but not any kind of insect, actually. Beetles. Mealworm beetles. A small, very small one. The insect of choice for premium animal nutrition. Because today, the population is growing a lot and is requiring more and more healthy food and more quantities of food and feed for the animal we eat. Basically, it's a 1 billion tons of ingredients traded on the market, 500 billion market. Animals mainly eat plant-based proteins, mainly soy, but carnivorous animals like cats, dogs, fish, shrimps, and also young animals, young omnivorous animals like chicks and piglets, eat animal proteins, a real premium animal feed. What is premium ingredients? It's mainly high-quality proteins and low quantities of ash and fibers. In this world, fish meal is the benchmark in premium segment. Fish meal is actually small fish we catch in the sea globally to process them into a powder. The thing is, 1/4 of all the fish we catch in the sea globally today is processed into this fish meal powder. And it's the most overfished stock with then declining stock. So we are not here to replace fish meal, but to complete a declining supply of fish meal while we have an increasing demand for meat and fish and then more animal feed to feed all these animals. So why mealworm is a good solution? First, because it's a natural feed, natural food for all animals on Earth. For instance, trout, small fish, in the wild, they're eating 40, 50%, even beyond for the young stages of insects and invertebrates. Poultry, wild poultry, like pheasants and quails, they eat 50%, maybe even more when they're young, their diet is made of insects. Even wild cats are eating insects. Just a small quantity, but still, it's significant. Because if you put all together this number, and if we were applying the same ratio for the animal we eat and our home companions, it will be more than 70 billion market for insect products worldwide. It's not only natural, it's also responsible and sustainable, because each tons of protein meal made of mealworm is saving more than 4 tons of wild forage fish, so we are reducing the pressure on the ocean's biodiversity. It's also sustainable because we can produce a lot per hectare, saving land, which is a very big deal. So 25 to 1,000 times more productivity of proteins per hectare than any kind of livestock or crops on Earth. And it's not only technically good, it's delicious. According to Christopher, he's a very famous cook in Norway and has tasted different salmon, including some mealworm-fed salmons with excellent results. So it's very, very promising. So how do we do that? So imagine a fully automated vertical indoor farming facility in a controlled environment agriculture, actually, based also with a lot of sensors, data. We are developing AI softwares. So it's absolutely unique. We have 20 patents protecting more than 40 countries worldwide. So this is based in France, in Burgundy. It's not only proteins, it's mainly proteins, but we are also generating byproducts. So the oil, when we are basically processing the mealworm larvae it goes to animal feed, like pet food and fish, but also the insect manure, we collect it, and it's called the frass, and we use it as a fertilizer, and we have also huge results on the plant growth, much higher yield on plants like rapeseed and wheat when using our infras compared to chemical fertilizers. So we have demonstrated the scalability over time from a very small lab in Paris to now a small plant running for more than 18 months in Burgundy, and we are going to build next year a very big factory in France again. We are working with best-in-class research and development labs in Europe, in France, Germany, Netherlands. We are backed by strong VCs in France, UK, and Singapore. And we have also co-founded the European Association of Insects called IPIF. I am chairing it for now 3 years. And we have worked a lot with the European Commissions to actually open the fish feed market, which was not for us initially a few years ago. So you may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. Competition is growing, which is good and excellent because the demand is so big that we need it. And there is room for everyone. But in this premium segment, clearly the mealworms is leading the race in terms of protein quality, in terms of scalability of the technology, in terms also of animal performance with health benefits. For instance, on shrimps, we have done tests by feeding shrimps with commercial diet, including fish meal, and feed containing our mealworm proteins. We have measured an increase of growth by 35%, 35, and a survival rate increase by 40%, 40. This is something never seen in the industry sector so far. So we are building this with a really great team, unique know-how and talents, coming from 20 nationalities, more than 80 sectors today, is growing almost every day, these ant hills. And our common goal is to build and to produce more than 1 million tons in the next decade with at least 15 factories. So we have a very strong ambition because to make an impact, we need to have a great and strong global ambition. So today we are raising a Series C, the fourth round, which is structured for a superior return, high, low and moderate risk, and a strong potential exit via potential IPO. So, dear investors in the room, if you want to join us to build this global, fantastic journey together, you are more than welcome. And as it is indicating here, it's not only pure financial profits, it's also a lot of other outcomes, as it's outlined here with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals we are addressing. So we are insects, and we are reinventing the food chain. Thanks a lot.
Antoine, how do they taste, the mealworms?
Actually good. I've also, of course, tasted them a lot. But it's mainly, I'm really looking for more to have salmons and shrimp on the market, fed over with insects. It's coming soon.
And what is your favorite mealworm recipe? How do you cook them if you normally cook them?
If I cook them, we have made like biscuits and pastas, dressings, so many different stuff. And I'm sure creativity will bring very new ideas of product.
And how many mealworms do you need to have 1 ton? How many?
Oh, a lot, a lot. I cannot count, but they're so tiny that it's indeed. But this factory is a 3,000 square meter, and we're producing a few 100,000 tons.
And you already raised a lot of money, right? Up to now, how much capital did you raise in total?
40 millions, 40 in total, for about half in terms of private equity and grants, loans from French states, also European Union.
And the new round, the C round, how big will it be?
Quite bigger.
Even bigger?
Yes, quite bigger. I cannot disclose here, but with private discussion, we're more than happy to discuss about this.
Cool. Insect from France.